Alright guys, we have Goodmans, just Goodmans over here. Here's this Goodman. It's got a couple of reciprocating. Oh, never mind, just a Bristol. It's got a Bristol recip. It's from 2011. That's a 2-ton. And it has an R22 refrigerant. Can't you see the, oh, I see it. Yeah, it's got a Bristol benchmark. Over here, here's Goodman right there. And yeah, it's a straight cool unit. It's got a Copeland recip. It's from 2007. Oh, 2008. Nice. Yep, it's right. It's from 2008. That is a 2.5 ton. Alright, that's a 2.5 ton. Very nice Copeland. And here's these units. Oh, that one just shut off. Wow. This one might turn on. And over here we have Goodmans from 2002. That is a 1.5 ton, I think. It's kind of been running. And you can see there's a Bristol, and it's been running. So yeah, it appears to be an old Copeland. It's not sweaty and cold. Here's Goodman. It's got a recipprocating rotary or Copeland scroll. That is from 2010. 2-ton. Oh, that one just shut off. Nice. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. I'm gonna wait for it to spin down.